like doing a little too much. Somebody definitely trolling. For real. But y'all know something. Oh, I wanted to hand mix it in. I'm gonna try to get the rest of that dish soap in a second. No, I don't eat cleaning stuff. Ooh, maybe I will try that freeze-dried ice cream. But it be so sweet. That's the only reason why I don't be eating that freeze-dried stuff. It be so sweet, it hurt my teeth. If you're new here, no, there's no powder, it's just paste. Thank you, making me squeeze. Not forced. Low-key though, there was really nobody on over the weekend. Like, it was not that many people on. Cause you know, while I was taking my little break. Oh, for real, she wasn't on? I don't be up early enough to catch her live all the time. Yes, I'm loving this color. Right now it's giving mint green, but I feel like it's gonna get darker as we go. I'm doing good, how are you? Really? I don't know what was going on this weekend. I just knew, I was like, I'm finally taking a break. I'm gonna sit back and finally get to watch everybody's live. And literally, almost nobody went live. I mean, a few people did. Don't get me wrong, a few people did. I have 30 more cans. I would be going to a whole nother hospital. You got me messed up. What other mod is here? Why do I smell cantaloupe? It's so weird. What smells like that? The dish soap? It smells like cantaloupe. Okay, cool. No, it doesn't block the drain. All you have to do is add a little bit of water to it. Nope, no wintergreen. Hey, Brianna. Alright, y'all, all the green powder went in, so we don't have any more powder going in right now. No, just food color. I probably won't get on tomorrow. Hey, Kiwani. Ooh, a hamburger helper. Girl, you gonna be messing that operating table up. It's just best for you not to get the what is the shot? I always be forgetting what the shot is in your back, but it's best for you not to get it so you don't lose control. She had nachos. The epidural, that's what I was looking for. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that follow button if you enjoy the lives. Yeah, it's fabric softener. And oh my gosh, this smells so good. If y'all ever see this, make sure y'all get it. It smells so through. When she come through the live, she always come through. That's why I love her so much. Thank you, girl. we got this kind of smoothed out. Okay. It smells so delicious. This is fabric softener. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that follow button if you're enjoying the live.